Let's face it, most people hate meetings. They're so frustrating. Rooms don't have the technology you need, or the technology doesn't seem to work right. Well, now there's a solution. Crestron Mercury makes it easy to call, present, and collaborate. And it's quick and easy to deploy and manage from the cloud at a price that meets those tight huddle room budgets. Crestron has been the leader in room control and AV presentation for years. So of course, starting presentations is seamless. Connect your laptop with the HDMI cable at the console, and voila, your presentation is instantly displayed. And it's just as easy to use your tablet. Mercury also includes the Crestron AirMedia wireless gateway built in. Want to present or collaborate with folks outside the room? With Mercury, that's easy too. Use whatever application you're already running on your laptop. Just connect the HDMI cable for your content and the USB cable to the room camera. Now the far end can see the entire room and your presentation, just like a full video conference. No dedicated codec is needed. The precision-engineered built-in speaker and microphones provide amazingly clear audio, so it sounds like everyone is in the same room. Speaking of audio, most meetings are over the phone, but even that's terrible most of the time. You don't want to use your cell for conference calls, and the speaker and mics on most IP phones aren't the best either. Normally, you have to pull the phone as far as the cord will go, and then everyone has to huddle around it. It's a struggle to hear others, and you certainly can't work naturally. Technology isn't supposed to get in the way. It's supposed to make things easier. Mercury does. If you're talking on your mobile phone, then want to bring others into the conversation, pair your phone via Bluetooth to leverage Mercury's speaker and microphones. Or make a call with Mercury. It's also a full open SIP conference phone. It works with most popular SIP servers. The 4 mics provide 360-degree coverage and are so powerful you can even turn your back to write on a whiteboard and still be heard clearly. The high visibility mute indicator on the built-in 7-inch touchscreen and on top ensures you'll never have that oh no moment. For longer tables, there are optional mic pods with remote mute buttons. Mercury can be positioned either at the head of the table or center of table with up to 2 mic pods connected. When not in use, Mercury generates an on-screen display showing room information and simple instructions to start the meeting. If connected to Microsoft Exchange or Crestron Fusion, it will even display the room calendar and availability. So it's easy to confirm you're in the right place for a scheduled meeting or to know if the room can be used for an ad hoc meeting. The native pinpoint proximity beacon inside Mercury adds additional room scheduling convenience, enabling mobile room searching and booking using the Pinpoint app. Mercury is perfect for any space and is thoughtfully designed for enterprise-wide deployment. It's priced to fit tight huddle room budgets. As an all-in-one solution, installation time per room is minimal. It features secure, cloud-based provisioning and management, and the built-in occupancy sensor enables energy-saving automation and insightful room usage data collection. Meetings are hard, but they don't have to be. Get Crestron Mercury and make meetings better.